Hello, this is Mark Waldman with Waldman Engineering, and I'm going to give you a list of 5 things that should be on the wish list of every property manager this holiday season. So number 1 on the wish list would be for a dry holiday season. So many people leave the area for the holidays. Snowbirds leave for extended periods of time. They leave the water on and they turn the heat off, and that's a recipe for frozen pipes, which can be disastrous for the people not only that live in that unit, but those who live below them, above them, or adjacent to them. So notifying owners about maintaining a minimum level of heat or shutting the water off, or both, is critical to having a dry holiday season. Wish number 2 is for a warm holiday season. And the best way that you can assure that your owners and occupants will stay comfy and cozy during the holidays and well into the new year is to make sure that you've done all the preventive maintenance you need to do on furnaces, air handling units, boilers, making sure that belts and blowers and motors and pumps have all been optimized in terms of their preventative maintenance schedules. So by doing the preventative maintenance and making sure that all the filters and mechanical units are at their optimum running level, you can ensure the occupants will stay comfortable through the entire winter season. Wish number 3 is for an accident-free holiday season. Slip and fall accidents are generally related to uneven or defective walking surfaces, things like broken or defective uneven sidewalk areas, potholes, things of that nature. So correcting those, filling in potholes, leveling or grinding sidewalks that are uneven are great ways to prevent accidents, as is clearing snow and ice and using de-icing agents as is appropriate are the best ways to ensure that you have an accident-free holiday season and New Year. Wish number 4 is for good drainage. Good drainage is often overlooked, but it's important, especially in areas of low-slope roofing where roof drains, gutters, and scuppers can become blocked with debris, and then water that will freeze and pond there will back up and enter the building in places it normally wouldn't get into. It's also important to keep storm drain inlets and catch basins free, flowing, and clear, lest your parking lots or sidewalks become ice skating rinks. Wish number 5 is for a well-insulated, well-ventilated attic space. It's well understood that we want to keep the heat in the living space to increase comfort and save energy, but it's also critical to prevent the heat from escaping to the attic, where it could cause problems with melting snow and allowing water to refreeze at the gutters and form an ice dam. Ventilation is important in attics to prevent the accumulation of moisture that we create in the living space by showering, cooking, and plant materials. Having adequate ventilation prevents the accumulation of the moisture in the attic space, where it can condense and freeze and appear as a roof leak. So having good insulation and good ventilation in the attic will minimize the potential for having ice dams and ensure a good environment in the attic for years to come. Thanks for listening. I hope these tips were helpful to you. Just would like to take this opportunity to say happy holidays from all of us at Waldman Engineering.